Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a dashboard in Salesforce Lightning. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to access your dashboards in your Salesforce organization. You can do it from the app launcher by searching for dashboards and we can find them here. Or you can simply go to the dashboards from your navbar and access all your dashboard. If you don't find it, you can simply go to here and basically add the dashboards and you can click on add more items and search for dashboards. So now we need just to share our dashboards from here. So basically you can simply go to the quick actions and you will be able to start sharing your dashboard. And to do so, you will need to have a folder to share your dashboard from. So basically, I'm just going to all folders and I'm going simply, for example, choose these activity folders. So from here, you will find the share button or share option. All you need to do is to choose which kind of category you want to share, either by roles, by users, or by all. Now I'm just going to choose by users, and from here you will need just to choose the user you want to share with. You give them, you manage the access to the folder, and basically they will be added here. And now you will need just to click on done, and basically now you have your folder that has been successfully shared with these users. So basically this is how you can share your folders in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.